More news breaking at this hour. Jharkhand Mantri puts Shariat over Samvidhan. Shocking insult of Samvidhan by India ally. JMM Mantri says Shariat first, then Samvidhan. Outrage over Hafizul Hasan, Shariat first claim.
शरीयत मेरे लिए बड़ा, ठीक है। हम कुरान सीने में रखते हैं और हाथ में रखते हैं संविधान। मुसलमान कुरान सीने में और हाथ में संविधान लेके चलता है, ठीक है। तो हम पहले शरीयत को पकड़ेंगे, इसके बाद संविधान को।
The Mantri from the JMM, they're saying that we keep the constitution in our hand and Shariat in our heart. Shariat is in fact more important for him, is what he said. Shariat mere liye bada hai, is what he said. Shariat first, then the Samvidhan. There's outrage over the man on your screens right now, Hafizul Hasan's Shariat first claim. It's an insult of Samvidhan by the JMM, member of the India bloc. Jharkhand Mantri puts Shariat over Samvidhan. That controversial statement was made by the minister in question. You see on your screens at this point in time. But at a time when there is a raging debate in the country over the constitution, it's a shocking insult and an unwarranted statement that has been made by a minister from the JMM, saying that he keeps the Shariat first and then Samvidhan. Shariat dil mein, pehle hai, Samvidhan haath mein, is what he said. His outrage over Hafizul Hasan's Shariat first day. I'm going straight across to Satyajit for more details on that. Satyajit, in what context was that shocker of a statement made by the minister here?
Hello, can you speak can you repeat your question?
Satyajit, in what context did he make this shocking statement?
Actually, he said he issued a controversial statement when he was speaking to a media house. He said that Shariat is above the constitution. But soon he realized that he has landed up in a soup, in a controversy, and after that, JMM leaders have also dubbed his statement as his personal, and JMM General Secretary and other leaders have categorically said that they have nothing to do with his personal views. And again, when we caught hold of the minister, he said that both constitution and Shariat is equally important. He was speaking actually in the context of the amendment in Waqf law, and the party says many of the party workers have come in the defense of the minister, and they said that it was just a slip of tongue. But any leader should refrain from such kind of statements when it is sensitive and it is a religious, it is connected to some religious issue. So this is what has happened, and minister landed up in a soup by issuing a controversial statement.
All right, Satyajit getting asked those details. Listen in to the controversial statement of the minister once again.
शरीयत मेरे लिए बड़ा, ठीक है। हम कुरान सीने में रखते हैं और हाथ में रखते हैं संविधान। मुसलमान कुरान सीने में और हाथ में संविधान लेके चलता है, ठीक है। तो हम पहले शरीयत को पकड़ेंगे, इसके बाद संविधान को।